Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically do the fairy event and how you can gain fairy points and get the fairy rewards. Right now, it needs the glimmering daffodil, so I'm just going to pick that up from my garden. You can also use the lantern to teleport. You can craft this in the crafting table. You're going to just type in daffodil and make a wish and offer plant. If you instantly give it like the plant that the fountain requested, you will immediately get a reward. So here I'll just make a wish. As you can see, I already got the reward by just submitting one plant that has the glimmering mutation. I'll do the seed pack because it is the most important. Next, it needs a glimmering bamboo. So I'm just going to go back to my garden and let's see. I do have one, so let's just collect that. Just going to get my lantern. Just going to teleport there. And I'm just going to get my bamboo here and I'll just do offer plant. As you can see, now I can make another wish. The most important things to get is the enchanted seed pack and the fairy points. Or the fairy points. I'll just do the seed pack because I really want the, what is it called? The wing something? I don't remember. Next needs a glimmering apple and glimmering coconut. Hopefully I have one. Okay. I have an apple. Do I have a glimmering coconut? I think I do. Let me just climb. Glimmering. Here we go. I do have that. I'm really lazy. Okay, so apple and coconut. Where is that? Can't even see. Oh, is this the apple? I don't need the sugar apple. Is this the apple? Okay, I think that's it. And a coconut. Offer plant. Make a wish. Let's see. I want the enchanted egg so bad, but I need it. Okay, it's fine. Okay, now I need a glimmering mushroom and a glowthorn. Glowthorn is the plant you get from the seed pack. So you don't need the glimmering mutation, however, on the glowthorn. Oop. Offer plant and then glimmering mushroom. Okay, let's just type in mushroom at this point. Offer plant and I can make another wish. Let's do enchanted egg for this one. Okay, glimmering grape, glimmering romanesco, and glimmering mushroom. So I have a glimmering grape here and another glimmering mushroom, but I don't think I have a glimmering romanesco. Did I even get that? Hold on. Okay. I don't have a glimmering romanesco plant, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my glimmering mutation spray out and I'm just going to spray one here and I'm just going to collect it and I can give it to the fountain. So if you want to craft the glimmering spray, you can just go to the craft store. It just takes so long to craft one. It takes 15 minutes, I think. But, I mean, it is, for me, easier than to just submit plants that aren't needed. And you'll get, like, not many points. So, yeah, that is pretty much it, really. You can also upgrade some stuff with the fairy godmother, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.